Hey, welcome back. So this is a part 2 of BlueXP backup demo for SAP HANA. In the previous demo, we covered how to create a backup plan. And in this demo, we are going to see how to perform an on-demand backup and an instant restore. Let's start with an on-demand backup using an existing policy. I have two databases already assigned with a policy. So they have a backup schedule that will be triggered at the respective times. Now let me select HANA System 3 for an on-demand backup. So let's go ahead and click on the kebab icon and select on-demand backup. Now let's select the on-demand backup type as policy based and choose an existing policy so that the policy settings are applied for this backup. With that, you can see a job has been triggered. Using this job ID, you can go ahead and monitor it in the job monitoring screen. As you see here, there are a couple of jobs, and the very first one is the job that we submitted now. Now let's try an on-demand backup without any policies. So let's click on the kebab icon and choose on-demand backup and select the backup type as one time. So you have to provide the retention and the backup name format in the backup settings. Once you're done with that, you can submit the job. Now let's review the snapshots that we have taken in the topology view. Let's click on a specific database and select View Topology. So you could see the details of the snapshots that we have taken. Using these snapshots, you can either perform a restore or a delete operation. Let's assume you have a very large database that went corrupted and you want to quickly restore it in few seconds and bring back to business. You can do this today using this BlueXP backup service. For that, you have to navigate to the given database and select a given snapshot for restore. The restore workflow is quite simple. You just have to simply provide pre and post scripts to automate the file system portion as well as the DB recovery. The rest of the storage portions are completely automated. To develop your pre and post scripts, we are providing you environmental variables that helps you to get the required values from the backup. Also, we are providing you a security feature that allows you to control the set of commands that can be executed on the SaaS service. Once you're done with the scripts, you can pass it here in the pre and post script section and submit the job. With that, your restore job gets initiated. Thanks for watching this demo. If you have any feedbacks or concerns, reach us at ngbackup@netapp.com.